Hi everyone, welcome to the day 5 of AI series, and today I will discuss about structured versus unstructured data. Okay, so first you want to think that why this discussion is important in context of AI. Okay, before that I will tell you what's the difference between structured and unstructured data. Okay, see, structured data means consider something as the data which is mentioned or which is ordered there in a rows and column format. Okay, and you take it as a Excel. Okay, the data which is in Excel and CSV, that we easily call it as a structured data. Coming to unstructured data, you need to consider as an object, any audio, any video, or any images, anything. Okay, that can't be stored or that can't be replicated in a structured manner. Okay, that we call it as a unstructured data. Now, see, when we look into structured data, it can be easily analyzed. Okay, we have a multiple what do you say libraries, multiple course which we can using that which we can easily analyze the data, we can look into the patterns, everything. Coming to the unstructured data, we can't do that stuff. Okay, for unstructured data we need to first decode the data, then we need to do multiple process, then only you could able to see that okay, what's there underlying in the unstructured data. Okay, and now coming to the context of AI, why it is important, why this discussion is important. See, when we go for structured data, it's very much easier, okay, to apply any model, because structured, when we go for structured data, it can be easily we can easily analyze the data, we can easily look into the patterns, what's there in the data. Okay, and we can use basic classical machine learning models which can give us the prediction, which can give us the classification, regression, anything. Okay, we need to do a little bit of homework before that. While coming to unstructured data, it won't work like that. For coming to unstructured data, we need to use complex models. Okay, which has a multiple what do you say operations into it. Okay, complex algorithm which will do multiple stuff. Then only we can use it. Okay, for whatever use case we are using it. So I think you got a good understanding between what is structured versus unstructured data. Okay, if you want to know that what a model meant by, I explained in my previous video, so please go through that. Okay, and tomorrow I will discuss about training versus testing in AI.